everyone, welcome back to another episode of WebTech Tutorial. Today we'll be learning how to create bold text on Telegram. If you are watching us for the first time, subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. To send a bold text to one of your contacts on Telegram, click Open Telegram application. Select the contact you want to send the bold text to. Now, in the Write a Message field, type in your text. Type in 2 asterisk signs at the beginning of the text and close your message with 2 more, just like that. Send a text message, and as you can see that I have successfully sent a bold text message to one of my contacts on Telegram. Let me show you one more time. Send 2 asterisk sign at the beginning and type in your text. Close it with 2 more and send the text. That is it. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. If you found the video helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll see you soon with more tutorial episodes again. Goodbye till then.